In this lesson we are going to learn about a math operation in which we don't write the multiplication symbol. But how do we know what we have to do when we don't write the multiplication symbol? Let's find out and look at 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. See how we have a repeated multiplication here. The 2 is multiplied by itself 5 times. Now, how can we write this without the multiplication symbol? It's very simple. Just write the 2 only once and write the 5 in the top right corner. Make sure that you write the 5 much smaller than the 2 so you don't confuse it with the number 25. The way the numbers are written tells us that we need to multiply the 2 5 times by itself. We say 2 to the 5th power, or just 2 to the 5th. Sometimes we hear also 2 raised to the power of 5. The 2 is called the base, and the 5 is called the exponent or index. Two times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. The important thing here is that you understand that the base, the number 2 in our example, is a number which is repeatedly multiplied, and the much smaller written number in the upper right corner tells us how often the 2 is multiplied by itself. Let's look at 3 to the 2nd power, which is also called 3 squared sometimes. 3 to the 2nd is the same as 3 times 3, which equals 9. So 3 to the 2nd power equals 9. What about this example? 4 to the 3rd power, which is also called 4 cubed sometimes. 4 cubed is the same as 4 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. How can we write x times x times x times x in exponential form? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. So we write x to the 4th. By the way, feel free to check out my next video about properties of exponents. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. This video is what I did for you. If you want to do something for me, hit the bell button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.